Yes, students, now we are moving on to the time to refer, and here we have a internet research. By now, you all know what is the importance of internet, alva? So, the last year and this year also, you are getting the knowledge through internet and the connection. ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸೊ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ವೈಡ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದ್ರೇ ನಾವು ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಏನನ್ನ an animal is called endangered if it is in danger of disappearing completely from the earth. So, dinosaur, not the dinosaurs, the elephant and the leopard are endangered animals. ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅಳಿವಿನ ಅಂಚಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳಾಗಿರಬಹುದು, ಪಕ್ಷಿಗಳಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅವುಗಳ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಭೂಮಿ ಮೇಲೆ. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ we call it as endangered species. Here is a list of some endangered animals and birds. ಯಾವ್ದ್ಯಾವುದು? ಏಷಿಯನ್ ಎಲಿಫೆಂಟ್, leatherback turtle, leopard, bald eagle, Sumatran tiger, ivory-billed woodpecker. So these are the one which they are in endangered. So why do animals become endangered? Very important question, students, and you must know it. Gather the information from the internet and have a discussion on a topic. Very, very, very important, students. I would love to do the discussion on this topic. It is very, very, very important that it's a general knowledge for you all. So you have to research in internet that why animals become endangered. Okay? Yes. And now we are moving on to the dictionary work. So last year we have studied how to search the word and what are the importance of the dictionary and how we need to search the word in the dictionary. So the words will go in the dictionary through alphabetical order. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ಫಾಬೆಟಿಕಲ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಲುಕ್ ಅಪ್ ದೀಸ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಡಿಕ್ಷನರಿ, ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ದ ಟೇಬಲ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಗೈಡ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎನಿ ಒನ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ವರ್ಡ್. One has been done for you. So the last year, did you remember, students? They have given the same word only. Picnic antane kottidru alva in the book. Picnic. So this is the guide word. This is the pronunciation part, students. Okay, an outing where people pack and carry their food to eat outdoors. Students, this is last year book, 3rd standard. A wish day chapter ಇದೆ, sorry, ಯಾವುದು, the cake thief chapter ಇತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? So that chapter we had learnt the dictionary, guide word, parts of speech. So there will be meaning, other forms, and how to pronounce. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So this is how you learnt the dictionary part in previous year. So for these words you have to find the guide word and the meaning for these words. Okay, this is your work, students. I'm going to put a round up here. Okay, and now we are moving on to the grammar part, which is very, 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 very important part. That is common noun and proper noun. We have been studying common noun and proper noun from 2nd standard. Common means which is common and which is in group. Proper means it is a unique and it is a particular. So common name given to the persons, places and animals or things of a same kind which is in group. And now proper noun is a particular name of a person, place or an animal or a thing. So now collective noun. Collective, as the name suggests, ಇದರ ನೇಮೇ ಹೇಳೋ ಹಂಗೆ ಇದು collection, collective, that means group. So we use collective nouns, okay, in order to represents the group of people, group of animal ಗೆ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಇದನ್ನ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ನೌನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬಳಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಹೇಗೆ? ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, a dash of trees, a bunch, string, clump, fleet, troop, galaxy, school, pack, team, stack. ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರಿಬೋದು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ? ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರಿಬೋದು ಮಕ್ಕಳ? a clump of trees, a bunch of bananas. Okay, let's try this students. Try ಮಾಡಿ, ನಾನು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. And this common noun and proper noun also you have to circle. You have to circle it for the circle the common nouns and underline the proper nouns. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಯಾವುದು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನಾನು ಏನೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕು? So you have to write the occupations and you have to write the compound words, practice the sounds, and you have to search internet and dictionary work and common and proper and collective nouns. Students, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. Okay, please do it, and I will also once again explain in the online class as well, students. If you did not understand the collective nouns, I will explain it in detail in the online class. Hope you enjoyed the session, students. Thank you.